Third-party cookie tracking is going away. Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. So Facebook has announced that the third-party cookie tracking is going away. It's actually Chrome who implemented it. Chrome is taking away the tracking of third-party cookies, and Chrome, the browser, accounts for 60% of all searches. So it could have a significant influence on the tracking of your ad performance if you're a Facebook advertiser or if you're doing any kind of advertising. But there is something we can do. Actually, this happened already a few years ago on Safari. Safari took away third-party cookie tracking, but they only account for 12% of searches. But there is something you can do. You can actually set up your Facebook account to track first-party cookies. And also make sure that you have your API parameters set up. That is also going to track what people are doing on your website. But I'll go to my ad account and show you how you can very simply, with the click of a button, make sure that your Facebook ads are tracking first-party cookies. So I'll go to my ad account. Here I'm on my Facebook profile. I'll just show you where you can find the setting to make sure that you have the first party cookie tracking turned on. So you go to this menu, the 9 buttons here, scroll down, go to Ads Manager, go out here on the left, go to All Tools, go to Event Manager. I gotta choose a different account. Go out here on the left again, go to Data Sources. Make sure you have the right pixel chosen if you have more than one. Go to Settings. Scroll down. Go to Website Settings, and under there you have Cookie Usage. And I already have first-party cookies on, but if not, then you can simply click it on here. Oftentimes it is on already, but it's good to go and make sure so that you can still track the performance of your ads. That's very important to optimize them. So go ahead and do that. Comment below if you have any questions, and give me a like if you like it, subscribe for more. And if you are a coach or consultant and you're looking for clients, and we specialize in getting clients for coaches and consultants with Facebook ads, right now we have an offer where you only pay us if you actually get a paying client, but we're not going to keep that offer for long. So if you want to know more about it, then book a call with me. There's a link in the description. And also we have some free downloads in the description. There's a Facebook ad template for coaches and consultants. Go ahead and download that, and we have an ebook, Mastering Social Media Marketing Strategies for Coaches and Consultants, and you can also join our Facebook group and learn more about marketing for coaches and consultants. There's a link in the description also. Thanks for watching, take care, bye.